Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulysses Herrera. Guys, today we're gonna go over a few things. We're gonna go over some updates regarding Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. We're gonna talk about Shiba coin. What's going on with Shiba, because everybody was FOMOing into Shiba, and now some people are getting wrecked, which is very common for these kinds of pumps to happen. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. On the last video we were mentioning about how bullish crypto was looking, and we were of course we were correct. Everything has been pumping since our last video update. So let's go over what's going on, and let's get started. We're gonna get started with Bitcoin, guys. So when we were talking about Bitcoin, we were around the $51,000 range, guys. We were about right here, and I kind of mentioned like, hey, look, there's, we have some more positive momentum coming out, and I think that on the one-day chart, Bitcoin is starting to look very good. So I once again said, hey, we're gonna pump, and we have been pumping, guys. Now, is the momentum done? Are we done pumping? I don't think so. For the short to long term, I think we're gonna have to for the short term, I think we're gonna have to retest some support levels, guys. That's just normal. Retesting some support levels is normal. That way we can confirm certain breakouts. So on the 4-hourly chart, guys, it looks like Bitcoin is a little bit extended. I do believe that we will probably be seeing a retest of certain key metrics. If we could probably retest even 46,000 and stay above, that should be very bullish. I mean, hypothetically speaking, we can hopefully stay above. If we could stay above 48 to 50,000, that would be great. As you guys could see, there is actually another channel forming on here, and this channel is very interesting because it looks, this was brought to me by Benjamin Cowan. If you guys don't watch him, you guys should watch his channel. He is very informative, and he brought up a good point, guys. These pumps right here are very similar. This channel right here is very similar to this channel, guys. And what it looks like to me, this bar pattern chart right here, is, you guys could see, if we do this, watch this. Where are we? Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. So bar pattern. There it is. Boom. Okay. Now we're gonna duplicate this exact channel here, and look at this, guys. It is very similar. So is it possible that we could see a $70,000 Bitcoin within the next month? I think that is in the cards, guys. It is possible that we may be seeing a $70,000 Bitcoin, as I predicted in my last video. I said 73,000. Best case scenario, I think we could see 80,000 within the next 2 months. But I think that is a major possibility if this channel plays out. As you guys could see, this channel is playing out very similar to the last channel that we had. The last part of the channel. Is this going to play out exactly? No, obviously nothing always plays out exactly, but it could be a kind of something similar to look out, a similarity that it could be playing out, and it could lead us to see what could be happening in the future, guys. That's for Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin may need to do a retest of maybe 50,000, and then after that we could keep pumping up towards the next leg up, breaking either all-time highs, and then just kind of going into the $70,000 range. I think that's a possibility, guys. That would be awesome. So let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum is also up from our last video, as we mentioned. The one-day chart still looking healthy, guys, on Ethereum. I think that us retesting the $40,000 level on Ethereum again is not out of the cards in the next couple of weeks. On the 4-hourly, it looks like we are still having some positive momentum going up, so that's a good thing. Ethereum is still holding pretty strong. On the 1-hour chart, it looks like we're still looking pretty good on Ethereum as well. Positive momentum coming in, and it looks like we're still doing good, guys. I'm drawing out some patterns for Bitcoin for the next 5 minutes, 5 minute chart, and it's awesome already that this is already breaking out. I just created this about maybe an hour ago. This right here is a continuing formation channel, and it's breaking out. So it looks like we may be retesting the top of the channel again within the next couple of hours. I guess we could see 3650, that should be coming within the next couple of hours. But overall, Ethereum is looking good, guys. Litecoin as well. Litecoin is in another channel as well. Where is that channel? Litecoin is really traveling within this channel right here. Boom, boom, right here, guys. So Litecoin is probably going to be trying to retest the top of the channel. So Litecoin is doing this. So it looks like we are finding the bottom part of the channel as support. So far, it looks like Litecoin may be wanting to redo a retest again of the top of the channel. That would be great. That would bring us up to about 190, which is a level we have seen before. The the 1-day chart definitely has more room to run on Litecoin. So yeah, that's not out of the picture, guys. So 190 could be coming into Litecoin within the next couple of either days or hours at the most, for sure. Let's go into let's go into Shiba coin, guys. So Shiba coin, guys, I was actually talking to my cousin last night, and he was wondering like, hey, Shiba coin is running up so much, what do we think is going to happen? And I mentioned to him that at this point, anybody going into Shiba coin, I mentioned this last night without doing my video, anybody going into Shiba coin right now is just FOMOing, because Shiba coin is just so overextended. It is not even funny, guys. So I would be very, very careful to whoever is in Shiba coin right now. Either take some profits, guys, or I mean, it's just a possibility that you guys are going to see a lot of red in the next couple of days, because it's just not possible for any asset just to keep going and going and going this high. We've already corrected 15 to 20% in the past couple of hours, guys. And look at the RSI on Shiba coin. It is way too overextended, guys. Way too overextended. Now, do we think that Shiba coin is going to drop? I think eventually Shiba coin is going to have to drop dramatically, probably retest the 50-day moving average. If it does not hold this bull market support band right here, this is the ultimate test at 0.0215, which is not too far from now. I think we could definitely be testing the 50-day moving average on the 4-hourly chart on Shiba coin, guys. The 1-hourly chart looks like it's trying to find some kind of support on the 50-day moving average. So that you could be seeing Shiba trying to retest the 0.00338 cent area, guys, which is its all-time high. I just don't see us going past our all-time high now, guys. I think Shiba coin is gonna need to take a break, a big break, and then maybe have another pump, major pump. But right now, Shiba coin, guys, it's not looking great. I mean, the momentum is just not looking positive, obviously. And even though it is on the bottom floor of the RSI, I just don't see it having enough strength to get past the all-time high. Could we retest the all-time high again and probably drop? Most likely. That is a possibility, guys. So it's a possibility for Shiba to try to retest here and then come up here, guys, and then possibly get rejected again and then go back down into the 200-day moving average. I think that's a possibility, guys. Overall on the 1-day chart, I think that's a major possibility. So if you're in Shiba coin right now, I would suggest you take some profits, unless you just want to hold out for the next rally. But guys, you just never know when the next rally is coming. And nothing is ever guaranteed in crypto, guys. So all these predictions, it's just my personal opinion. Doesn't mean that is completely gonna happen. It's just what I think could possibly happen, guys. But once again, we've gone up so much on all the markets, guys, that I think we need to take a little cool off on before we can get the next leg up, guys. DXY is kind of holding a little bit strong here, guys. So the dollar's holding a little bit strong, and I don't see it going up much higher, guys. I don't see it breaking like $95. If it breaks $95, that would be very, very interesting. But I don't see it happening. I think we may be getting a correction, which would lead Bitcoin to pump even more in the short term, guys. So total market cap right now is looking great, guys. It's looking like we are heading towards the all-time high again, and it looks good, guys. It looks good. The market cap is at 2.3 trillion, guys. Our all-time high was probably 2.5 trillion, and if we can break 2.5 trillion and then set new highs, that would be awesome, guys. There is definitely room to run on the overall market cap for crypto, guys. There is definitely room to run. It wouldn't be out of the picture to see a $2.8 trillion market cap for crypto coming in the next couple of months and weeks, guys. So that's all for now, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. We're gonna try to do some either every other day or at least every day update on videos on what's going on in crypto. And guys, I will also be talking about some stocks as well, because there is some stocks with some major potential coming in the next couple of months and maybe a year. So stay tuned, and we will see you guys on the next one.